If you want to add a photo in a TikTok comment on iOS or Android, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First of all, make sure your TikTok app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and if you see an update button, tap on it to install the latest version. This ensures the photo comment feature is available on your device. After that, open the TikTok app and go to the video where you want to comment. Then, tap on the comment box just like you normally would when leaving a text comment. Here, look for the photo icon inside the comment bar. On iPhone, it usually appears on the left side of the keyboard, and on Android, you will see it as a small image icon near the typing area. Tap on the photo icon and select a picture from your gallery or camera roll. Once the image is selected, you can still type some text along with it if you like. After that, hit send and your comment will appear with the attached photo right under the video. Follow these steps and you will be able to add photos to TikTok comments easily. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.